Hello all and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you a simple batch file I created to save time when checking Windows system file integrity using SFC and DISM. These commands help check for and fix corrupted system files, and using a batch file makes the process faster and easier, especially when I'm working on multiple client computers. You can just copy the file onto the PC and execute. Let's get started. First, we're going to press the Windows and R buttons to open the run command. Type in Notepad and press enter. A command prompt will open. In the command prompt, you can paste the code that I left in the description, but we will explain it a bit more shortly. After you've pasted, go to File, Save As, choose your destination, rename the file, let's say SFC Scan.bat for batch file, and click Save. That's going to create your batch file. If you do want to edit the batch file, you can select the file, right click and say edit with Notepad. That's going to open the batch file in Notepad for you to be able to edit everything again. Let's see what the code does. The echo off just removes any banners or titles, and then the echo shows the Scannow Execution batch file. Then the location here is for the choose file, for the choose a yes or no, and then the message is do you want to continue. If you choose the yes, it's going to go to the error level 1, go to continue, and if you choose the no, it's going to go to error level 2, go to end, the end part. So if you choose no, the file stops. If you choose yes, it goes then to continue. The echo shows the title Starting SFC Scan, Starting SFC Scannow. The file is located in the system32, and after the scan is completed, it's going to give you another choice. Do you want to run the DISM? If your scan completes without any violations, like you see here, then you can just say no, and the scan is complete. If the scan completes with violations, then you can choose to run the DISM and say yes. It's going to go to continue 1. It says starting DISM scan. It shows the starting scan. It's the file location of the DISM. Online, this specifies that the command is operating on the current running version of Windows. The cleanup image, this tells DISM to perform a cleanup operation on the Windows image. The RestoreHealth, this is the specific action that scans the local Windows image for corruption and then downloads and replaces corrupted files from the Windows update to restore the image to a healthy state. After the scan is completed, you can then choose if you want to run the SFC, and if you do not, you select no and the file stops. After the scan completes and you do want to run another SFC scan, just choose yes and the scan is going to run. And after this scan, the batch file is just going to complete. If there is more integrity violations, you can choose to run the file again. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.